Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
What's going on, folks? This is Influence and I'm back with another video. Thank you for joining me today. And as you see in the title, I'm talking about ball joints. Not any old ball joints, but these loose ball joints. I'll tell you how to fix these loose ball joints here. I know a lot of people use furniture polish or crazy glue. Not crazy glue, but you shouldn't use crazy glue on the plastic, but some people do. Some people use regular glue and then it has to dry. You have to, and I'm demonstrating how loose these are. If you see it, I have good old loose joints here, which I may be doing a video on these guys. This is the Yes model upscaled version of Guardia. Does this make toys? But in any case, these feet right here for the combined mode are super floppy. So if you want to fix ball joints, and this works for any ball joints. Ball joints works for mushroom pegs, all that stuff. All you need is some, not sponsored, but I like Bounty towels. And what you do is, again, you see how loose these ball joints are. Take the ball joint off. You got this little thing right here. So if you want to fix this without damaging the actual ball, without putting any chemicals on the ball, some people use floor polish, some people use other stuff. This is a kind of less permanent way. Take a piece and you have to scale it to your job. So this is a pretty big ball joint. So I got a pretty big piece. You fold it up, and it doesn't have to be any type of rhyme or reason. Just get it folded. You don't want it so much that it sticks out so you can't see it, and then you just put the tissue or the napkin, paper towels work best, and I found Bounty is thick, but you just need some thick paper towels, and voila. So to compare these two, you see this one, and you see this one. Not going nowhere. See how hard that is? This, of course, you can see the floppiness, and this will hold the leg in whatever position you need it in, and it lasts pretty long. And you can't really see it, but if you can do it a little better if you want to. If you want to try to kind of hide that. With the bottle on there, you can't see it at all because this is the combined mode legs. But you can do it with arms. You can do it with anything, like I said. So I'm gonna do this side too. Just get a little piece. It might be trial and error. You might get too much where it's too tight. You might not get enough where you don't have it enough. Stick that in there. Put the ball joint back on, and voila. As you can see, this is tight joints now. And basically the premise is you're just giving more space in the ball joint. So it's not so much space where it pops keep popping the ball joint out, unless you have a loose ball joint that is popping out. That's a different story. You may need to do the floor polish method. But if you just have loose ball joints that aren't popping out, they're just loose, this is great. Great method. Great. Doesn't cause any harm to the plastics, of course. Isn't permanent. You can take it out if you need to. You know, if you're selling it, and some people are super picky, so they don't want all that gunk on their figure. But yeah, this is it for this video. It's just fixing ball joints. And like I said, you can do this for any figure, any ball joint, arm joint, leg joint. You can do it for mushroom pegs. You just got to wrap the actual paper around the mushroom peg, and that's a little less sightly or unsightly, I should say. It's more unsightly because you can actually see the toilet paper or the toilet paper, the paper towel. I mean, you can use toilet paper too. You can use any paper, but paper towels is thick and probably the good consistency that you want. All right, so I'm gonna get up with you for this video. This was a quick one, checking in.
Life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.